Weight loss does not need to be difficult. Quick and easy weight loss starts with 12 tips to help you lose weight. 1. Prepare your own meals. From sandwiches and salads to take to work, to dinners at home with your family, you can control calorie intake and nutrition by making your own meals. It is better than buying ready-made meals in restaurants or from fast food places. Meal preparation is not a time-consuming process and you will benefit in many ways. 2. Choose nutritious, low-calorie snacks. Snacking does not have to mean high-calorie junk food. If you are hungry between meals, have a piece of fruit, a crunchy vegetable, or some nuts. These snacks are healthy, filling, and delicious. 3. Know the importance of sleep. When you want to lose weight, you need adequate sleep to keep your hormones balanced. When you are not tired during the day, you are less likely to experience cravings and hunger. For most adults, 8 hours of sleep each night is ideal. 4. Enjoy exercise. Exercise will only help you lose weight if you do it regularly. Consider all the different types of exercise and choose something you truly enjoy. You will not want to skip daily exercise when it is fun. 5. Choose healthy cooking methods. Reduce your calorie intake by cooking without fats and oils. Bake, grill, boil, or broil food instead of frying. Natural food without added fat is delicious too. 6. Try calorie-free flavorings. You can add flavor to your food without adding extra calories. You can find a wide range of seasonings and herbs. Fresh lime or lemon juice can also add a flavorful touch to your meals. 7. Avoid fad diets. Diets that promise overnight results are unhealthy. Whether a diet requires extreme calorie restriction, extreme restrictions on the foods you can eat, or diet pills, they can make you ill. Rapid weight loss can also result in regaining weight within a short period of time. 8. Learn about the basic food groups. You need vegetables and fruits, grains and other fiber, protein, and dairy products every day. You can find low-calorie foods in each category. You can have quick and easy weight loss with a balanced diet. 9. Avoid empty calories. There are many products that have no nutritional value, yet are high in calories. Alcohol and many common snacks are in this category. Look for healthier alternatives instead. 10. Strive for progress, not perfection. It is impossible to never make a mistake. If you eat too much or eat something you should not eat, do not look at it as failure. One slice of cake or a glass of wine should not mean giving up on your diet. 11. Find opportunities for physical activity. There are many ways to incorporate physical activity into your daily life. Walk to work or ride your bicycle. Do little exercises at your desk. Walk upstairs instead of taking the elevator. You can lose weight faster and stay healthy too. 12. Celebrate your accomplishments. When you see the numbers drop on your scale, be proud of yourself. Reward yourself with something other than food. A new outfit to reflect your weight loss is one example. Quick and easy weight loss can be accomplished. Healthy approaches to weight loss are always the best approaches. With these 12 tips to help you lose weight, you can have the results you want. And if you are seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to click the link in the description, HealthFitnessPlanet.com/weightloss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching and see you next time!